Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning, Sunday morning. Let's have a coffee together. I've actually to Nansa Maurice. Good morning. Monros, good morning. Mike, good morning. Mr. Kiss, good morning. Rossetti, buona dimineața. Q, morning from Poland, good morning. Avi, good morning. Morning, guys. Good morning. Let's have a coffee together. Bob, good morning. Sorry, I missed your live stream last night. Nah, it's not a problem. It's not a problem. Smart choice. Good morning. Natsa. How is everyone, huh? Ken, good morning. A lot of people today. Coffee is good. Morning, Natsa. J Fix, good morning. Morning from Germany. Ireland, good morning. We hear, we love. Okay, that's good. That's good. We are sharing the same love for electronics. Yeah. We get to Cornwall? No. Never been there. But I said one day I'll go there. 3 a.m. there? Yeah, it's time for a coffee. Love you from India. Good morning or good afternoon. Grab a coffee. Three a.m. Yeah, definitely it's time for a coffee. Ken. Good morning. 3 a.m. there. Yeah. Perfect time for a coffee. I had my first coffee like 1:30. That was my first coffee. Croatia. Good morning. Yeah, 3 a.m. Yeah, it's perfect. It's just perfect. And drinking water these days. Can't drink coffee without sugar. You can. I mean, most of my life I have coffee with sugar, and at some point I said, no, you can. I stopped drinking coffee with sugar like 2 or 3 years ago. I think 2 years ago. So how is the weather, huh? Where is my phone? How is the weather? I'm gonna show you the weather here. Okay, it's getting better. Okay. It was like a lot of rain, but now I can see some nice days. Sunday, I will go with my golden retriever to a golden retriever meeting. Yeah, like party. Minus 24. Ken, if I remember New York or not, maybe I'm wrong. Minus 24. Canada, Ottawa. Okay. Yeah, I know. Yeah, that must be cold. Yeah. Say hello to my little friend. Gabriel Naza. 5 degrees, Bucharest. Thunderstorm here in Namibia. All around the world, people on the chat. Why the previous live session members only? Silvio, if I do live repairs, I cannot focus on the chat. And I will tell you something. You see this live stream, always, but always I'm losing subscribers because I cannot answer to everyone. The people get angry and they unsubscribe. So I prefer members only because I can focus on my repair and a little on the chat. Then one day later, that live stream, it will be for everyone. So today, yesterday live stream, you'll see it today. Yeah, I will publish after this live stream, I will publish that live stream from yesterday. That's the reason. Do you still watch YouTube channels? Not that much time. I cannot suggest any channels. I mean, just not sure what should I suggest. Tone Gravity, good morning. I can confirm it was a good live stream. Pierre Giorgioli, thank you very much for the member. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning from Italy. Pizza. Pizza, Italy. When you say Italy, you say pizza and pasta. Regarding what JF said, I can confirm it was a good live stream. Well, the one from the last week, Sunday, I had to take it out. yeah. So I took out that live stream. As soon as I closed the live stream, I took it out. Because you see what happened? Sorin has some moonshine during the live stream and starts speaking louder and starts speaking a lot. I have to take out that video, that live stream. Yeah, that was bad. I should not do it again. Okay, previous coffee talk. Yeah, that's the reason. So previous coffee talk from Sunday, I took it out because, I have moonshine during the live stream, and I start speaking loud, and I start speaking a lot, and I start speaking faster. And that's the reason. I felt bad after that. I want some now. You know what? I still have. I mean, after 1 week, I still have this. But no, I'm not gonna drink during the live stream. No. It's like I think it's like 60-70% alcohol, and it's getting into the bloodstream from the mouth. Palinka, okay, that's a good palinka. That's a very good one. But the pizza here cost €6, 18 euros max. Yeah, that's the point I will try to make with my video. So when I say, this is a 2 pizza repairs. For you, 2 pizza means something else. You see, for me, pizza is £25. The Domino's pizza is £25. So, in this way, you can figure it out. Okay, how much I should charge for this repair. When I went to Paris, they dropped an egg on my pizza. That was not good? No, pizza with egg? No. During one of Diana live streams, someone paid for Diana to have pizza with pineapple. And she had pizza with pineapple, which of course was terrible. Good morning, greetings from Germany. Good morning. I tried because we have Subway chicken tikka masala. Yeah, I tried that. Yeah, they have on Subway chicken tikka. Ham and pineapple, you love that? Ah, Mike. I think we should ban Mike. Ham and pineapple pizza. Me too. I can't believe it. So actually, I Italian guy which love the pineapple with ham. Yeah. You are an Italian. Yeah. So you see, that's how chat fight is starting. Yeah. I mean, it's bad, same as religion, to speak about people loving pineapple on pizza. Kilburish, good morning. Salut. Guys, you remember the yesterday problem with our radio? People donate to buy a tube radio kit and build it during a live stream. There is a trap with that kit. It is. So, first, Bob told me his kit arrived, but arrived without the capacitor, the air capacitor, the big one. Yeah, wait a second. I know you are waiting for it, but I can't buy it. It will never gonna work. So the kit, let me. Okay, that's the. Yeah. So basically, this is the kit. If you want to buy it, I think with transformer, it's 126. But the problem is, it will never gonna work because they are not giving you the output transformer for the audio. I'm not sure if he's saying somewhere. So even if you pay, yeah, check it. You pay for the big transformer, but they will not give you the speaker transformer. And he's saying somewhere. He's saying. I'm not sure what he's saying. He's saying somewhere. Maybe on a different from a different seller. He's saying it's not coming with the audio transformer because you need an impedance adapter when you have a tube amplifier. So let me try to find another one because I seen a complete one. I seen a complete one, £300. 1 second. It was like 300. Because otherwise, it's not gonna work. Radio. Let me check the chat. No, you will not get a speaker transformer. No. About the repair price, about 8 pizzas, 8 to 10 pizzas, something like that. No, you don't have to donate. No, listen, I'm not gonna pay for the £300 radio because doesn't have FM, only AM. Not sure where it is. Tube radio kit. Let's see if it's working like that. DIY. No, I'm not gonna buy that one. The first is too expensive. It's not even worth it. With that sort of money, you can buy like a audio amplifier made with tubes. So definitely it's not worth it. I don't even check here. I mean, this search engine from AliExpress, it sucks. You know, I never seen a search engine that bad. It is bad. You can never find like what you are looking for. No, it's showing only different kind of stuff. Let me see here. Power transformer required. But it's not saying anything about the speaker transformer. Let me find that kit. I have to show you that one. This one, check here. I think it's this one. 1 second. Yeah. So you see, this is the kit. You have the power transformer, you have the audio transformer, you have the speaker. Yeah. So this is the kit I'm speaking about. Oh, this doesn't have a board. So here is no board. Okay, but the point I'm trying to make, you need the audio transformer. Did you figure it out? No, I didn't. Sorry. Buying a faulty one and repairing with that kit? Yeah, we can do that, yeah. Maybe not charging with the bench PSU because need GND, the jack, the tech pin. Doesn't have. I checked. Doesn't have. No, doesn't have something like that. I checked. Of course, I checked if it's any pin to sense the charger plugged in. Was not. Where to learn MacBook repairs? On the Louis Rossmann channel. Yeah, he was like MacBook repair god. Yeah. Read my message. You speak about the video. Huh? Not sure I understand. I wish I could get a HF ARM kit. HF, yeah. Mm. About Intel CPUs. Good morning, good morning. Natsa. Paul Daniel, yeah. MacBook repairs, yeah. About Intel. Have you seen the new Intel CPU? Which one? Which one? You mean the gaming CPU? Mobile CPU? The efficiency is amazing. Really? Hmm. Okay. So has been launched last month in January. Interesting. 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 The IGP is amazing too. I think it's Intel Arc, right? Yeah. How about another Apple speaker repair? No, no, I repair one Apple speaker. I'm not gonna do it again. Good morning, good morning. Do you still fix TV power supplies? No, I stop fixing TVs. So the idea is, if we can see a complete radio we can buy, tube radio, please send me a link, yeah, and I will buy it. But if I'm buying that radio without the output transformer, we cannot even test it. Salut, mulțumesc. I'm late? No, you're not late. Good morning. Morning. I'm working on the Temu video, and I have a Tesla coil. A DIY. Can you purchase the output transformer? Yeah, but I know. But if I get the output transformer separately, yeah, the speaker. Maybe I can find a speaker around. Then you buy the big capacitor, the power transformer. The price is way too high. Mini Tesla, yes, something like Mini Tesla coil, but I don't think it has anything to do with the music. Good morning. Thanks for the video, Ilano cooler. My gaming laptop love it. Yeah, that was a good one, a good cooler. Yeah. I mean, Kiborich, whoever was buying like a desktop CPU, it will never gonna use the integrated graphics. I mean, I prefer to buy the Intel without graphics because you can overclock that CPU higher compared if it has a graphic inside. So every overclockers you see out there, it's overclocking a CPU without graphics. About the Tesla coil, when using a transistor, you should put a heatsink. Yeah, probably a heatsink, it's a good idea. What kind of tube radio? No. It was a kit on it was a kit on AliExpress, something like that. You take the kit, you buy the kit, and you put everything back. You solder everything on the board, and it should work. But the problem are the transformers, and this one doesn't even have the air transformer which is coming here. So you pay 125, but the kit you can't even use it. That's the thing. Also, the radio schematics are in Chinese. Billy, good morning. We forgot something yesterday. I had one more job to do when I have time. What you have planned for today? I have to finish that demo video. My laptop fan was not working, so I soldered inside 5 volts USB supply. Why you will do something like that? Because you have already 5 volts into the laptop. So what I will do, I will not solder the fan to 5 volts. I will solder the fan to 3.3. Continue to run to constant speed, but after 3 months, the GPU CPU died. Any reason? Definitely not a connection with the fan. The CPU and GPU cannot die. Like, there has to be a reason there. Like a shorted MOSFET. Like something happened. I mean, probably they can die even without a reason. But a fan spinning at full speed, that's not a reason. There is a way a fan could kill a laptop. Which one, Cambridge? Which is the way? I can't see how. Let's say I'm removing the fans completely. How that can kill the laptop? I have no fans on my computer. No, that's not gonna happen. No, listen. Try it yourself. The fan, it will not generate voltage. The fan is not. you don't have a electric motor connected to the wires. That will never gonna happen. There you have a power supply, not a power supply. You have a three phase. How it's called? I forgot how it's called. It's not gonna happen. No, it's not gonna happen. What do you crazy guys? What do you mean it will kill the laptop? The fan is not connected to the wires. I can't believe. Okay, let me grab a fan. Let me get the air compressed, yeah? So just to prove the point, my fan, it is working. I'm gonna plug the fan. You can see it's working with 5 volts. Okay, good. Now let's get the multimeter. So we have ground and plus, but how can I do it? Ground and plus. I think I can get ground from here. Billy, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. So we have ground here. Good. We have ground there and we have plus here. Let me see which one is ground first. The keys is ground. This is plus. This is ground. Okay, 0 ohms. You can hear the beep. So this is plus from here. 20 volts. I can see the plus. Here is the plus. Good. You have like what? Like 0.7? Check there. Check there. It's like what? Like 0.7 volts? And you can hear the fan, how fast it is? Huh? That's crazy. This fan, it will never gonna spin that fast. You can't see the multimeter. Oh, I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. Okay, the multimeter. Hey, it's on the screen, yeah? I'll check here. One second. You know, it's better. Like 0.6, 0.7. Can you hear the fan spinning? No. You have an electronic thing inside. It's not like the engine is connected to... Turn it on. Okay, on the other side, but it's not spinning like that. It's not spinning on this direction. It's spinning on this one. No, no. Come on. Yeah, of course. It will never gonna spin that fast. And the fan is good. If I plug the fan to my computer, the fan is spinning. 5 volts. You can hear the fan. Yeah. Come on. But doesn't work like that. You have semiconductors. The semiconductors, they drive the power in one direction. You have MOSFETs. You have diodes. You have a lot of stuff inside. It's not like the... Ce vrei să spui cu reclame? Eu n-am reclame în live stream. One second, give me 1 second. Let me check the live stream. Where should I check? Settings. I can't see. Okay. For some reason, the monetization is on. When you see ads, yeah, I have no power. I have power. I have power to put more ads on the live stream, so I can go and click to play an ad now. But otherwise, I have no control for ads. You understand? I cannot add myself ads into the stream. So on the videos, yeah, I cannot. I mean, I can, but I have to do it like on purpose. So this is not something I can control. Definitely not. So a fan cannot kill a laptop if it's spinning. Okay, just take out from your mind this. I don't understand how, Kiburish, because the fan is no outputting voltage. Înțeleg, dar nu pot face eu nimic, înțelegi? Nu e ceva ce pot controla eu. E controlat de YouTube. Așa funcționează. Please see my questions about the battery revive. Had the phone. What is the ideal voltage and current reviving the battery cells? You charge the battery on current, yeah? So you have lithium cells. If they are lithium cells, you set up the power supply on 4.2. Like, yeah, you can't see the power supply, okay. Power supply, okay, 4.2. 4.2 volts. Yeah, that's all. And now you limit the current. And you put whatever current limit you want. Like, okay, I'm charging with 500 milliamps. Now, the charging process, it will stop when the battery is reaching 4.2 volts, because that's the limit, the voltage limit. So you can leave that battery how long you want, because you have a current limit. Yeah. When you don't have enough current, the battery voltage drops. Let me see if I can find a battery here to show you. This one. 4.2 volts per cell, yeah. So here you have plus and minus. So you have minus and you have plus. And you see, now I have a constant current of 500 milliamps. Okay, this is fully charged. You can see it's 4.1 the voltage. At 4.2, the charging, it will stop. It's a 800 milliamp cells. Then you charge the cell with 80 milliamps. 80 milliamps. I mean, this is the ideal, kind of. You can charge with more, but it will get hot. So, yeah. So you charge the cell with 80 milliamps, and you just leave it there. He said 2 in series. Yeah, I said 4.2 volts per cell. Per cell. $8.4 in series, yeah. Any way to check the resistance with the multimeter of the cell? The ideal charging current based on the capacity, like I said, 10 to 20% is fine. But then depends on the battery. You have battery supporting 1C, like 2C, 10C. You have different batteries. The manufacturer of the battery should have their, like, a list. Do you have the Tesla Powerwall? No. No, this is a rented house. No, I don't have something like that. Yeah. Guys, I think I'm gonna stop now. I just want to say thank you for being here. I will try to bring more interesting content next week. It is possible that a resistor with not enough resistance could not lower correctly voltage on certain pin of the BQ chip. Fabius, not sure I understand the question. But the resistor is not lowering the voltage. The resistance is lowering the current. You lose current on a resistor. Yeah, I have also a meter which is testing the battery resistance. I have that thingy which is charging the yeah. No, I'm not playing Resident Evil. I know the game, but I'm not playing that one. Don't worry about the radio stuff. No big deal. Well, I really want something like that, Bob. I really want something like that, but I want something which can build and work. If I'm buying that one and it's not working, then, feels bad. If you are on our Discord, don't explain me. Just explain on the chat, on the laptop chat. You expose there the problem with the picture and all that kind of stuff, and definitely you will get a better answer. There is a way to check the real capacity? Yeah, it is. It is. I have a device. You can buy this kind of device. It's cheap. You can buy it from AliExpress. You can test the battery. You can test the capacity. So the device, it will charge and discharge the battery, and it will give you the capacity. NLBA, no, NLBA cannot check. NLBA is dealing only with laptop batteries. Battery, not cells. Did you buy the radio? Milan, no. Because the radios, they are not coming with the output transformer. That's my problem. and Bob just got the kit without the air capacitor. So looks like it's some kind of scam going around that radio. On 27th February, we'll launch Resident Evil 9. I'm more like a MMO player, MMO RPG. Did you receive my Lenovo Slim? Ha! It's your laptop? 1 second, guys. We are not going anywhere. No. We are not going anywhere. So, Mateus, it's your Lenovo Slim with the burning doctor? Yeah, I did have a look. It's exactly what I told you on the email. Exactly. Remember I told you, the inductors are blown because a MOSFET is shorted and your CPU is gone. You remember I told you in the email? Remember? And he said, no, sorry, please have a look. You remember? Yeah. And I did record, of course. I'm recording everything. Your CPU has exactly 0 ohms. Recording, 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna show you. So the problem with the Mateus laptop, it was burning inductors. Let me see how can I do it. 1 second. This one. No microscope, sorry. PC screen, this one. 2 blow up inductors. And I told him on the email, don't send it, I can't fix it. You have blow up inductors because a MOSFET is shorted and the CPU is dead. And he said, no, because I want to have a look. And I said, okay, if my diagnosis is not a problem, you can send it anytime. So the entire inductors were blown, yeah? Good. Now let me go further. I mean, 43 minutes, Matteo, just to understand. So what I found, check here. I mean, I try to fix it. I even, removed the shorted MOSFET and I try to see, the CPU is still good. So coming with current on the inductors, we have a capacitor here, you can see it. And check here. You see that red mark next to the CPU? Yeah, that's a MOSFET which was shorted. You can see the video has 43 minutes. I try to see if the CPU is still alive. So I removed that MOSFET. I made the inductors, yeah, to pass the voltage to the CPU power supplies. One second. Let me get there. Yeah, check here, yeah? So here I removed the MOSFET, the shortened MOSFET, because I found it. Then I put it all back together with voltage. I grab a charger, original charger. Original charger. Pressing the power button, the laptop was coming on, switching off, and stuff like that. Sometimes it's staying on. You can see now it's on. It's on, but no picture on the screen. Because the CPU has 0 ohms. I checked with the multimeter. The CPU has exactly 0 ohms. And there's nothing what I can do. I mean, I wish I can help you, but what can I do? Yeah, the laptop is here. Yeah, that's your package there, here on the bottom. What can I do? The point I'm trying to make, you should trust your technician. If your technician is saying, don't send it because I can't fix it, most likely, he cannot fix it. Now you understand? That's the reason I said, don't send it because I can't help you. It is a nice laptop. It is. Yes, slim, proper nice inside, the board and everything. But I knew from before, so I don't have to see the laptop to understand what's going on there. Yeah. I found little PC with the same CPU for 200. If you have someone which is replacing the CPU, I can't do it because I don't have the stencils, and I mean I can buy but it's not worth for me to buy a stencil only for this particular laptop. But if you have a technician which can replace the CPU and has time for something like that, then yeah, assuming it's only the CPU. We can only assume it's only the CPU, but there can be a case where actually it's not only the CPU. The 19 volts got into the chip, and the 19 volts got into the GPU, or the RAM memory, the chipset, the chipset is inside of the CPU. I mean, there can be more bad things. So it's like, it's a gamble, actually. It's a gamble. So it'll be good if I just, it's not like 100%, but you can try to replace the CPU. But I would say, based on the CPU price and how much the people it will charge you to replace the CPU, maybe you'll be better to buy another motherboard. I'm just saying. But please let me know the return address so I can send it back, yeah? I'm really sorry for that. Usually I say no, and some people understand. Okay, sorry, thank you. But some people, no, please, you can have a look. I'm pretty sure you can fix it and stuff. And I said, because I feel bad to take that job, yeah, because of the diagnosis fee. And trust me, there are shops they are doing it. They are taking every job. The shop I worked before, I always take every job. But we're not charging the diagnosis fee there. So for me, I will make more money from the diagnosis fee if it will be to take every job. But to Mateus, I told him, no, I can't fix it. I can't help you. Then he insists, and I said, if my £25 diagnosis fee is not an issue for you, then I can have a look. And I did. I worked like 43 minutes on that laptop. Plus, after that, I have to put it all back together. I'm just saying, it's not make me feel good to take a job just for the diagnosis fee when I know most likely I can't fix it. That's the thing. E imposibil ce spui tu. Dacă ia curent, ceva trebuie să încălzească. N-are cum. N-are cum să se oprească. Înțelegi? Curentul ăla se duce undeva. Se transformă în căldură. Okay, guys, I'm happy I show him the video, because the fails video, I do like a big video once per year and I upload with unrepaired stuff. In my country, people will do anything to replace the CPU? Definitely, yeah. But here is not worth it. It's too much time. That's the thing. And the CPU is too expensive. They are not selling CPU. So this is like a gamble. I'm getting a CPU from a board. Hopefully that CPU will work. Then it's not that simple. You cannot just replace the CPU. Then you have to do like a AMI clean, because the CPU has different serials. So it's more here to do. Even the chipset. When I had that video replacing the chipset, someone did IME clean for me. Yeah, but if he thought Sorin is a good technician, why he didn't believe me when I said, I cannot fix it? Huh? Huh? I thought you're gonna check that quick. Mateus, you think I'm gonna charge you £25 without actually proper checking your laptop and testing and everything? Like I said, doesn't make me feel good. So even if I take the £25, I will check everything just to be sure. Okay, that laptop cannot be repaired. Okay, guys. I think I get the same microscope. Wait, Bomba, because we have a Temu video with microscope discounted. Just wait a few days, and you can buy one discounted from Temu. Okay, guys, I'm going now. Yeah, I have to walk the dog. I would say thank you for watching, and enjoy the day. Yeah? And see you next week. I will publish the video with the live stream from yesterday. Yeah. Have a beautiful day. Bye.